Hey, how's it going? Tesla the World's EV here, your friendly neighborhood Tesla news network. Now look, fellers, go on over to EVBase.com and check out their wheel covers. It's just simply a phenomenal experience. Not only is it outstanding AVS. I'm sorry, guys. Can we do a redo? Cut. You know what, guys? I'm sorry about that. But once again, EVBase.com strikes gold. This is Tesla the World's EV, and we just got another phenomenal accessory that we just threw on the exterior of the Tesla Model Y Juniper. Let's see what it is. Look, guys, EVBase.com is the truth. They never fail, and they have been grade A since the very beginning. Now, these wheel covers, guys, I was actually ecstatic for. I couldn't wait to get these ones because they were kind of that Arachnia style, or Neurachnia, however you say it. I don't care. But they're dope, period. And it gives you a sleek look. They have a few different colors. I think they even have gold and black, which is crazy, but you got to check these things out. Also, let's not forget 20% off if you use code Tesla World's EV. Now, here's a few demonstrations right here, buckos. Let's jump in.